We are living in smart cities, but are we eating smart? What about pesticides, freshness, or the quality of the air you breathe in? Don't believe in making compromises? Well, let's enter a new age. Agro2o, the revolutionary smart and designer solution for your green thumb. A perfect convergence of science and creativity, which lets you grow your own food. Agro2o involves hydroponic technology, faster growth cycle, and 80% less use of water than soil-based agriculture. Grow range of herbs, greens, and ornamentals. It's cost-effective. Grow multiple harvests. Organic and healthy produce. It's fully automated. And purifies the air. We believe beauty lies in simplicity, so just get started in 3 simple steps. Select what you want to grow. Plug it, add it, and go live. Now just sit back and enjoy.